This is a review on the Star Wars First Order Stormtrooper pistol. Now this is the second blaster in the line. As you can see, it's already opened. Claims ranges of 65 feet. Comes with 3 Star Wars darts, which are awesome. Now, as we see here, there's stuff telling me about it. I had to buy this off of Hasbro's website because I could not find it in a store anywhere. So now let's get to the blaster. This is based off the actual pistol from the movie, so that's cool. You have a sight that doesn't do anything. Rail. Barrel that can't put any attachments on it. And that's the prime. That's as far as it goes. I like this pistol. I think it's a neat little thing. But let's get to the firing. It's loaded in the front. Now, it doesn't exactly reach the 65 range as it claims, but it still has good performance for what it is, even with a small drawback. I do like this a lot because it's basically from the movie, but you don't often really see this pistol in it. But it's good to add to the collection. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this review. I do recommend picking one of these up if you just want it in your collection. Not good for battling. So yeah, subscribe for more if you want to see stuff like this, and I'll see you next time.